Hi there, this is Lukasz, and today we're unboxing a flip case for the Xiaomi Poco F2 Pro by Foluu. If you haven't already, please make sure to subscribe to the Tech Travel Geeks to see our latest videos. When I got the global edition of the Poco F2 Pro, it included a gel case, which was actually quite nice, with a textured back and a good grip. However, I've been using flip cases for years, since my first HTC Android phones, and I even got one when I tested Matteo's Nokia 1.3, so I had to get one for this phone as well. The packaging is very basic, with some, let's just say, questionable grammar. At least I know that it will well fit my mobile, so that's a good start. But let's just see what's inside. It's a black case, but due to the patterns on it, it makes it seem like it's dark grey, which will match the phone well. There are a few holes on the top and a flowery shape on the bottom, adding to the character. Inside, there's a protective foam, revealing that it will also fit its cousin, the Xiaomi Redmi K30 Pro. Hold on, maybe the case is actually by ViLi? Anyway, inside you get a wallet for some credit cards or similar, if that's something you want to use. There's a magnetic clamp on the side which keeps the phone closed. I'm recording the audio after almost 2 weeks of use, and it's been working quite well so far. The back has the expected cutout for all the cameras. But let's put the phone in and see how it fits. No problems with getting it in, it fits snugly and without issues. The buttons on the sides work alright, but I have to say that the volume rocker isn't as easy to use as I'd hope. I have to press it quite hard to make sure it works. The red power button works great though. More importantly, there's a cutout for the pop-up camera and it works fine, not obstructing the mechanism. As mentioned, there's also a really nice cutout for the 4-camera system on the Poco F2 Pro, as well as the flash underneath it. There's one problem I experienced, more related to how the phone works though than the case. One of my use cases is that I often put it upright on the desk while talking with my family on WhatsApp. The phone has a bottom-facing microphone which records the left channel, and the top microphone for the right channel. For some reason, when talking to my family, they've been experiencing feedback and static when I had the phone down, so I can't really use it like this and have to keep it in my hand instead. However, I've not been able to reproduce this issue when recording the audio just on the phone without talking with my family, so as you can hear, there's not much feedback or noise that you can hear when I just record the front-facing camera on my own, so maybe it's just a problem with WhatsApp? Or maybe this is just a connection issue. Other than that, I've really been enjoying using this case. It does add a bit to the size, but it's quite manageable. Watching YouTube videos is great, I can bring it with me anywhere and just put it on the table or my desk and continue watching while getting a tea or similar. I've also been playing some games using the iPega game controller, and it's really convenient to be able to put it down and use it as a mini console, especially with the Poco F2 Pro's excellent gaming performance. That's it for this video. Please leave us a comment below on what other videos about the F2 Pro you'd like to see, and make sure to subscribe to the Tech Travel Geeks to be notified about our upcoming videos, including the full review of this phone. Thanks for watching!